So here are the strawberries that we picked, and now we are going to use a recipe from our Grub cookbook to turn it into jam. Okay. Tiny sink. I've heard that when making jam, you want to use a combination of fruit that is ripe and not quite ripe, because unripe fruit has more pectin in it naturally, which will help your jam gel. I don't know if I should cut them up further, to squeeze them down a little. So this recipe is called 1, 2, 3 Red Berry Jam. Obviously today we're using strawberries instead, but the recipe is pretty simple. It's 3 cups of berries, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of water, and then heat. So we think this is about 3 cups of berries. Strawberries are not quite as dense as red berries, so and we'll follow it up with the 1 cup of water. And now we stir. No. Bring to a fast boil for 15 minutes, stirring all the time. Put in jars and let set. It gels every time. Softening up.
Okay, put them in and let it warm up.
Yes, it's
Ready?
Yeah.
no. A bit too much. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go! Good, you should have had the potato,